friends, it's Jay from Sweet Softies, and I'm really excited to share with you this adorable little doggy LCD drawing tablet. It's made by the company Cheerfun, and they produce a lot of really cute and environmentally friendly products for children. This tablet in particular really caught my eye because my daughter loves dogs, and I really wanted to get her something that she can easily take with when we go traveling over the summer especially, and to have at home to play with. So this is a great option if you are not wanting to do screen time at home, for instance. It allows for creativity for little ones to draw and play with. And I plan to do some writing practice on this too. So let's take a look at some of the features. This doggy tablet, if you flip to the back, you'll see that it has a groove and a spot for the writing utensil that I have here. And it just clips in really nicely so that your writing tool won't get lost when you travel. And it's really designed with portability in mind. As you can see, it looks super lightweight, and it is super lightweight. I'm just really surprised because it is lighter than, thin stack of papers that I would bring with me anyway for my daughter to draw on. So it's just such a great option to travel with, especially. Behind, there's also a button here for locking and unlocking the tablet. And what you can do with that is basically lock your tablet so that you don't get any accidental erasings going on. And if you want to enable the eraser button, just keep it unlocked. By the way, I drew a little picture here of a doggy on grass. And let me add a few details to it so you can see. If I scribble in a sun here, my camera isn't picking up the screen very well, but as you look at it in person, you'll notice that it's pretty easy on the eyes because your eyes won't have to strain or stress to look at the drawings here. With the black background, it really allows the eyes to relax, kind of like nighttime mode on your computer, or I think it's called dark mode. Dark mode on your computer. All right, so there's that for drawing. It's super smooth and the surface is really great. You can produce thin lines and you can produce thicker lines, and it really picks up those finer strokes. So even really thin and fine strokes can be detected. I'm wondering if you can find where the erase button is. It's really nicely concealed as the eye of the dog. So if I click the eye, it'll go ahead and erase everything. So let's watch. Boom. All right. So if you don't want to accidentally erase anything, just make sure you lock the drawing surface from the back. All right. And if you're traveling, you might also find it's helpful to have this nice little strap where you can insert into your pen and attach to the board. This comes with the drawing tablet, so you'll be able to keep your pencil nice and within reach. And even if you accidentally fumble and drop it, if you have butterfingers like me or like my daughter, you can rest assured that it won't fall away from you. With the tablet, you've got a nice little user manual that has troubleshooting and all the information you need. And it comes in a lovely box as well. You'll find that it's very easy to gift a product like this because it's suitable for so many ages, and it's, kids will really love to have fun with it. All right, so I'm going to show you a few clips of my daughter using this as well. Let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so I wanted to share a quick look at the actual drawing experience with this tablet. What's really lovely is that you can produce really thick and bold lines, and you can also do thin lines too, depending on how much pressure you put onto the tablet. And you can actually get some nice detail into these artworks if you want to. And if you want to do some shading, some color shading here, you'll notice the gradients that come with, so that bluer color on top and this nice yellow that's coming into view here. And you can also do some writing with this. So it's wonderful as an option if you're, let's say, working with students or working with little ones and you're teaching some literacy skills. You can do a lot of handwriting practice with this. You can do reading, sentence construction. So I see this being a great tool for teachers and parents alike. And I hope you enjoy this little preview. Oops. Hope you enjoy. And I can't spell when I talk. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at my daughter using this tablet now. Yeah. 你老画画 Whoa. 你可不可以弄 up down?
Up down.
你看，你按他的眼睛，擦掉。是不是不见了？耶
Up down. Up down.
Up down. 欢妈妈，谢谢。好 ，Lina， 我们看看。Let's see which letters. Oh, let's do. 可。这个呢 ？P. You're good at erasing for me. 这个呢 ？Run. Yeah, run. 这个呢 ？Q. So this board is really great for teaching letters and writing as well. Wawa, very good. And how about this one? Lina. So I don't have to use any paper at all, and I'm just able to work with her on letters and whatever we're focusing on. Baba, yeah. Okay, Lina's turn to draw. And you need to wipe your nose soon. We're all suffering from a cold here. You could probably tell from my voice.
Mom.
Okay, you want to do more drawing right now. Lina is loving this toy. I think she really likes the eraser feature. And as you can see, she's able to get a handle on the concept of this board. So it's very suitable for little ones starting from a pretty early age. Lina, 这个玩具好玩吗？ More, you just want more. Yeah, you're talking about Go-Go dog. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Lina, can you show us a thumbs up for this product? Yeah, thumbs up. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Lina, let's wave goodbye.
Bye.